Hi, I'm Christian Chua. Suicide among young adults are happening at an alarming rate. Is there something that we, the community, can do? Can we save this unnecessary loss of lives? We are offering a very powerful course that shares with you a whole gamut of tools that allows you to identify all these red flags. In this workshop, we will explain why people have suicide tendencies and what are the numerous clues that leads up to the final action and what can you do about it. There's really a lot of signs and many lives can be saved. We'll touch on body language, we'll touch on facial expression, we'll touch on speech analysis, we'll identify the words that they use or don't use, the hesitations or losing the eye contact. We'll find clues in the way that they respond. We'll teach you investigative questioning so that you'll know whether it's just a false alarm or it's something more serious that needs intervention. We will talk about spot medical diagnosis, which means sometimes you will see the clues on the face, the droopy eyelids, the rolling eyes, more on the clues that manifest because they're in a prolonged depression. We will share with you what to do and what to not do during a crisis. This is not a course to train your teachers or parents to be counselors, but rather to be spotters, to identify if there is a candidate at risk, to be the first responders, to buy time if necessary, and then alert the professional authorities for professional intervention. I've done high-profile events like reading the body language during presidential elections, namely Donald Trump, Hillary Clinton, Kim Jong-un. I've done work for the two resorts in Singapore, Resorts World and Marina Bay Sands, teaching all the casino employees how to spot problem gamblers. You see, sometimes players overstretch what they are able to afford, and after they lose everything, they contemplate on doing something very unpleasant. So we train them to spot these problem gamblers and to intervene before they take their own lives. In my team, I have a qualified counselor, I have crisis management experts. Together, we'll present a very simple to understand but comprehensive workshop so that your teachers, parents can be the first responders and to save lives. For more information, please contact us.